Now I'm going to tell you about how to write academic writing task 1 in the map case. This video is only based on the map related question. This will give you some of the tips and trick as well as a writing pattern. How would you write about the maps in your exam so that you will get a better band score? Or in case of writing task 1, you must get a band score 3 in. So as you know that writing task 1 only contains 3 band score, and other 6 band score is based on writing tasks 2, that is essay. So in case of academic writing task 1, I will present your map based question. So in map based question there are different approach of question, they may ask about two time period. For example, one map was in 1995 and another was in 2000, or one map was in 2000, another will be in 2030, as well as they may be past, present, or past, future. No, any of the combination they may use in two map based question. There are also one map based question. They give you only one map. So in such one map based question you need to explain about the map by saying the what are the features or its content, where is the location, how would you reach there. uh, so so some of the word meaning you must learn about it. So this word meaning really make your essay good, and it also help you to get a band score in the lexical resource. So if you use general best vocabularies, it's built here, removed, is such type of word really make your essay good, but not the best. If you want to get a good band score, so you need to use variety of word, like in case of some structure added there, so you may use added, addition, built, constructed, erected, opened up, set up. Restaurant is opened up, and restaurant is set up. Park is open, park is set up. So in case of you use this better vocabulary, and in case of removed or um, uh, vanished case, you may use removal, demolished, knock down, flatten down, cut down, chop down, clear. The cut down, chop down, and clear are used in the forest based pattern, like forest cut down, forest chop down, forest cleared, cleared forest. Also in case of replaced, and uh, in case of replace, you may use relocated, replaced, expanded, extended, enlarged. Expanded and enlarged can be used in case of road construction. If a road is extended beyond the original position, you may use extend, expand, enlarge. Or in case of another vocabulary is reconstructed, developed, converted, modernized, replacement. Or if you want to say the specific location, if there is no uh, compass is given, like there is no northeast reference, then you may use to the left, to the right, to the um, uh, top corner, top left corner, bottom right corner, bottom left corner. You may use this type of also is next to, on the bank of the river, on the across opposite past. In case of compass, you may use in the eastern part, in the western part, in the northeast part, on the west, on the east, on the south, on the north. So this vocabulary also for the tense selection, you must select a proper tense for your writing. If you do not select, or if you do not find proper tense, for example, if there are past map, then you need to use past tense. So in case of past tense, you must use was were plus b3. And in case of past plus present based question, have as plus b3, or am is r plus b3, or present plus future based question, will plus b3, can be plus b3. The building can be built there, and it will be constructed, it will be developed there. So tense selection is also an important thing. In the paragraph formation, you need to make a proper connection between each paragraph. So in the first paragraph, you must write introduction. Introduction means you need to paraphrase the question. You need to paraphrase the question. You must not write as exactly as question. So in the another paragraph, you must write overall. Overall means it's an overview of paragraph. So in case of overview, you need to summarize whole theme of the maps, like make two general statement about the map. So whether it is totally built up to a residential zone, or it's a barren land. So you must tell about two general statement or the map. Also tell most noticeable difference between the two maps. What's the main difference? What you find the main difference between the two maps? Then you must write this. Also for your idea makeup or your planning phase, you must ask this type of questions like, is the map is more or less residential? Is the map more or less countryside? Where the changes are dramatic or negligible? Were there any major improvement in infrastructure or not? How have the building and leisure facilities changed? So you must ask about this. So after you asking these questions, if more roads are expanded and railways constructed, then simply write city witnessed spectacular changes in transport links. Or you may write your own language, but you need to include transport links. In case of library, gardens, pools, schools, and other leisure centers are added, then you need to write amenities. What type of amenities does change? There is a negligible or significant change in amenities. So in case of leisure construction, like a restaurant, park, pool, hotel, cafe, they are the leisure facilities. So if only these were changed in the city or in the map, then you may write the city witnessed spectacular changes in leisure facilities. In this must include your overview. In the main body paragraph, you need to give the information about your map, like where the building is located. Is it north of the is it located in north, or is it in the south, east, or northeast, northwest? You need to specify the main feature. There are 3 or 4 sentences about specific changes that are occurred, organized by time or location. So you need to write specific. Then in the body paragraph, you need to explain, you need to emphasis on your point. So what you see in the map, then you need to give the direction. Where is it? And it is significant change or negligible change. So you may use 2 body paragraph if you find 2 figures but if you get better chances to use comparison, that use it. So here is a question. Look at the map showing how the town of Bentham changed from 1936 to 2007, and summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main feature. Make comparison with word 11. This is the map. This shows two time period, but in the past case. In this case, we must use past tense. So uh, we need to ask about some questions, more or less residential. Yes, in case of northeast part, there is a more residential area. uh, in 2007, less trees. Here is a more trees. Here is a cut down, and here is a cycle path. Then it is converted into road. It is the museum. Government office is now changed into museum, and farmland is converted into golf course. In case of center part, the post office is as it is. Sweet shop and butchers were changed into supermarkets and were demolished and constructed into supermarkets. A travel agent flower shop is now changed into travel agent, bank, library as it is. So let us see a sample answer. The map shows the changes that took place in Harborne over a 71-year period from 1936 to 2007. This is the paraphrase of question. So in the next overview, overall it can be seen that Harborne changed from being a small to a more developed town with more housing and recreational facilities. So there are more recreational facilities, like golf course is a recreational facility, also supermarket, they are also in facilities. The basic structure of the town is 4 roads that connected to central shopping area. So in case of body paragraph, we may use in 1936 the northwest quadrant has 3 trees, but by 2007 only 1 tree remained. Here is only 1 tree remained. Yes, and directly below this was a path for cyclists, which was then widened into a road. Yes, cycle path converted into road. Exactly, widened to road. And to its right and across the north-south road were government offices and farmland. Yes, there is a government office and north-south part. Yes, north-south part. Where is the north-south part? Yeah, here is the north-south part. Government offices, and this changes into restaurant. This had both gone by 20th century. The offices were converted into museum, and golf course was established in the place of farm. By 2007, the river, which was to the right of the trees, had disappeared, and instead there was a residential area. So here is a river. A river is disappeared, and it is now changed into residential area. The post office, bank and library in the central part of the town were left unchanged, but the original flower shop closed and was reopened as a travel agent. As in addition, the sweet shop and butchers were knocked into one, and a supermarket opened in their place. The garden area in the middle became a shopping center. So in this way you can write a good essay on map. It is just a sample answer. and by following these methodologies you can write in a proper way, by giving more executions, more clear view. So in this way you can make it as possible and you can get a good score. Thank you.